What's up, guys? I'm Ishmael from Auto Mart, and I'm here to talk to you about what you should look out for in car finance options. Firstly, what is car finance? Now, car finance is when you, the buyer, requires financial assistance to purchase a vehicle. In your buying process, you apply to lend money from a reputable bank or a financial business that is approved to lend money to private consumers. And how is this structured? Now, as part of the loan application, the lending institution will either approve or disapprove the application based on the credit and risk calculations that are performed for these types of transactions. If approved, the loan will be structured and presented back to the applicant. What are the types of car finance options? That's a very good question. Finance deals for motor vehicles are structured in several ways over different periods. Some key factors will determine how the loan agreement will be structured that need to be taken into consideration first. Will you be putting down a deposit? Now, deposits are great because they immediately reduce the loan amount you will be paying the interest on. What are your credit records and scores like? Having a good credit score will go a long way in getting you a better offer from the bank. The less risky your profile, the better the chances of a good offer. What interest rate is the bank going to offer you? Based on your credit profile and relationship history with the banks, borrowers will get credit offered at a rate either below prime, on prime, or prime plus. How long are you looking to loan the money for? The length of the loan period will also make a difference to the final price of the vehicle. A balloon payment can reduce the monthly installment amount that will be paid on a new car, but it also means you have to make a large payment at the end of the loan period, which can be risky sometimes. Are you buying or leasing the vehicle? Two common finance offers that are offered by the banks. Once all of these factors are considered, the finance house or lending institution will lend you the money at an agreed interest rate and give you a specific period to pay the money back. Now you might be wondering, when do I take ownership? Depending on the finance option you have taken. If you have taken an installment sale, then the vehicle only becomes yours once you have paid for it in full. So you drive the car while you're paying it off, but it still ultimately belongs to the bank until the final payment is made. If you are taking a finance lease, then you lease the vehicle from the bank. Once the lease period is up, you can either choose to take ownership of the vehicle or you can take out a new lease on a different car. In closing, make sure you are well informed when it comes to borrowing money to buy a car. If a deal seems to be too good to be true, then it probably is. Buying a car should be fun, but it can also land up costing you lots of money in the long run. It is well advised that you don't overextend yourself and make sure you shop within your budget to own and maintain your vehicle. Now, don't be afraid to ask all the necessary finance questions when you go through this in the car buying process. Now remember, if you're looking for a new vehicle, then visit Auto Mart, South Africa's biggest online automotive marketplace.